Hey guys, you asked me to cook more, so I'm back with another cooking video, and tonight we're making chili. I find most chili recipes on YouTube very overcomplicated. Mine is super simple, so I thought I would share it with you. First things first, I'm just gonna cook up my ground beef in a pan, and I'm seasoning it with salt, black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some paprika. I'm gonna cook my veggies in a separate pot. I've heated up some oil and I've got my garlic, onions, red and green bell peppers, celery, and jalapenos. Once that's cooked, we're gonna add our ground beef into the veg mix, give it a good stir, and then we're gonna go in and add our diced tomatoes as well as some tomato paste. Next, we're gonna add our liquid, and I like to use beef broth. Now we're gonna add some more flavor with some more seasoning. So I'm adding some fresh garlic, some chili powder, some ground cumin, and some oregano. Next, I add my beans. I'm using canned beans, and I like to use two different kinds. I use red kidney beans and black beans, but really you can use whatever beans that you like. So I rinse them thoroughly, and then I add both kinds to the pot and give it a really good stir. The last step is to cover your chili and turn it down to low and allow it to simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours, stirring occasionally until you are done. I like to serve mine with some shredded cheese and jalapenos on top for just a little bit of garnish, and it's really delicious, guys. Enjoy!